Word meanings, word and phrase, meaning in English, meaning in Hindi, a lot of, enough. Hindi means बहुत सा, annoy, meaning in English irritate, meaning in Hindi चिढ़ाना और नाराज़ करना. Word or phrase here is alarm, meaning in English fear, meaning in Hindi भय. Word or phrase bash, hit hard, कसकर घुसा मारना. Word or phrase cunning, meaning in English wicked, मक्कार, disgust, meaning in English change form, भेष बदलना. Word or phrase hasten, meaning in English hurry, जल्दी जाना. Imitation, word or phrase, meaning in English copy, नकल करना. Word or phrase inclined, meaning in English willing, in Hindi meaning it's रुचि होना. Word or phrase moan, meaning in English mourn, meaning in Hindi विलाप करना. Word or phrase pick up, in English it's mean lift, meaning in Hindi उठाना. Pretend, word or phrase, meaning in English pose, meaning in Hindi बहाना मारना. Word or phrase set out, meaning in English leave for, meaning in Hindi खाना होना. Word or phrase spot, meaning in English notice, meaning in Hindi देखना. Swollen, word or phrase, meaning in English inflated, meaning in Hindi is सूजे हुए.